Yield increase wasn't our main objective for the project. It was really to get our client into a full organic status with a lettuce basket that held coconut media. So the yield was just an unintended consequence. It became somewhat intentional from a design standpoint as we were going through that process, probably maybe around the 4th or 5th iteration, when we started to see how we're really impacting the health of the plant. And then we became much more intentional about triggering that optimization for the health of the plant and the yield. But we didn't start there. So we kind of walked into that just by the nature of the design process. And then once we started to intentionally refine the design for yield, we saw remarkable results. So we took what started as a hint of improved yield to the 30% that we landed on, which was significant.